The most outdated advice we often hear is, go to school, get a job, work hard, save money, get out of debt, and invest for the long term in the stock market. But let's face it, it's 2025, and the world has drastically changed. Why would you save money when governments are printing trillions of dollars? The gap between the wealthiest 1% and the rest of the 99% has never been wider. To thrive in this new era, you need to step back and look at the bigger picture. Each of us has a mix of mindsets within us. There's the poor mindset that sees the world through the lens of limitations. There's the middle-class mindset that craves security, the steady paycheck and stable life. And then there's the wealthy mindset, which focuses on opportunities and growth. The key is to nurture the mindset that aligns with your goals. For decades, we've been conditioned to chase paychecks. But here's a harsh truth. A paycheck can trap you. It's not about rejecting hard work or stability. It's about understanding that wealth creation requires more than working for someone else. It's about building something of your own and learning to make money work for you. Entrepreneurship is not just about starting a business. It's about adopting a different mindset and learning new skills. Entrepreneurs play by a different set of rules. They don't see failure as an endpoint, but as a stepping stone. The moment you step away from dependency on a paycheck, you begin to unlock your true potential. You learn resilience, adaptability, and most importantly, how to create value in any economy. If you're thinking about making the leap into entrepreneurship, remember this. It's not easy, but it's worth it. The journey might test your character. You'll face challenges that force you to grow, think smarter, and become more resourceful. And it's in those moments of difficulty that you'll discover who you truly are. Look at the financial landscape today. Inflation is high, and the value of money is eroding. Instead of saving money in a system designed to devalue it, learn how to leverage debt and assets to your advantage. In the hands of the informed, debt can be a powerful tool to build wealth. But for the uninformed, it can be a trap. Many people still cling to the outdated idea that going to school and working hard guarantees success. Education is vital, but the traditional model is becoming obsolete. With information doubling every 18 months, what you learn in school can quickly lose relevance. In today's world, continuous learning and adaptability are far more important than a one-time degree. Take the concept of taxes and debt. Did you know that many wealthy individuals and businesses use debt strategically to grow their wealth while paying less in taxes? This isn't some secret trick. It's a system that's available to anyone willing to learn how it works. For example, investing in real estate or building a business gives you more control over your income and taxes. Every dollar reinvested into your business or assets can multiply your wealth. Meanwhile, relying solely on earned income often means losing a significant portion to taxes. Understanding this dynamic is crucial to thriving in the modern economy. The truth is, there's no such thing as a bad economy, only bad personal economies. The world's wealthiest individuals don't let external factors dictate their success. They focus on what they can control, their mindset, their skills, and their strategies. While others panic during market downturns, they see opportunities. If you're stuck in the mindset of fearing failure, let this be your wake-up call. Failure isn't the end. It's part of the process. When you fall, you learn. And when you learn, you grow. Every mistake is an opportunity to come back stronger and wiser. So, as we move further into 2025, take a moment to assess your own mindset. Are you holding on to outdated beliefs about money, work, and success? If so, it's time to let them go. The world isn't waiting for anyone to catch up. The faster you adapt, the greater your chances of thriving. Your first step? Start thinking bigger. Build something of your own. Learn the rules of wealth creation and use them to your advantage. In a world that's constantly evolving, the greatest skill you can have is the ability to reinvent yourself. This isn't just advice for entrepreneurs, it's a blueprint for anyone who wants to take control of their financial future. The tools are out there. The question is, are you ready to use them?